Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing how you can easily fix if your add friends option is not showing, not working on your Snapchat on your iPhone. So let's get started without wasting any time. So there are a couple of steps to solve this problem. So what you need to do is just follow my instructions here. So for first method, what you need to do is just open up here App Store on your device, and then here you have to simply search for the Snapchat app, and from here if any update is available then up to date your Snapchat, and if there is no update like this then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick doesn't work for you then go for the next one. For that, again open up your Snapchat on your device, and then tap here on your profile icon, and now tap here on your settings icon, and now scroll it down here, and here you will see the option like here is clear cache. So tap on this and clear cache, clear all cache. All of your caches will be cleared and Snapchat will restart. So tap here on clear, and then your Snapchat will restart. So after this, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. Or open up here settings app on your device, and then scroll it down here and tap on general, and then again scroll it down here, and here is the option of iPhone storage. So tap on these, and then here let it loading, and then here you will see some apps. So just scroll it down here and find here Snapchat, and tap on these, and from here what you need to do is just offload the app. So this will free up storage used by the app. And then what you need to do is just reinstall the app and go back, and after the reinstallation process has been done, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick also doesn't work for you then go for the next one. For that, what you need to do is just uninstall your Snapchat app and turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds, and then turn back on and then install your Snapchat and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if all of these tricks doesn't work for you then go for the final one, which is very important one. And for that, what you need to do is just hard reboot your device by press and releasing the combination of the keys according to your iPhone model. And hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I'll help you more. Thanks for watching.